Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be reviewing a very useful tool called WonderFox DVD Ripper Pro, a program that lets you convert and backup your DVDs quickly and easily on Windows. So if you still have old movie or data DVDs lying around, this tool can help you save them digitally before they get damaged. What I really like about this tool is that it is clean, easy to navigate interface. You don't need to be tech savvy to use it. So to download the software, simply go to the link given in the video description and click here to download it. So once downloaded and installed, you will get a similar interface where you get these options of DVD disc, ISO image and DVD folder. To copy the DVD, simply click on DVD disc and it will load your DVD automatically. Simply click on OK and it will list all the titles present on the DVD. By default, it selects the main movie that we require. Now if you click on the output profile, you will see the type of files you can convert your DVD file into. If you click here, you will see the available options where you can scale your video up to 8K quality. You can also convert your video to popular mobile models. You can also convert for smart TV and projectors as well from here. Now if you click on the settings below here, you can change the other parameters as per your convenience and requirements. Once you finalize all the settings here, simply click on run to begin the process. That's it. The DVD will be copied with ease. Now if you click on open folder from here, you can get to the converted file. Now if I show you the actual size of the converted file, earlier it was 13.6 and the converted file is only 1.6 GB, so that will save a lot of your space. So if you want to buy the software, simply go to this link given in the video description where the discount is already applied. Simply fill in the details and place your order directly from here. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel for more such tech tutorials. Thank you.